Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 20 genius new wood tools every pro and DIYer needs in 2026. From smart cutting solutions to precision upgrades, these tools are built to save time, boost accuracy, and elevate your projects. Get ready to discover innovations that will completely transform your woodworking game. Carpenter Square. The RIDGWAY Adjustable Carpenter Square by Swan Tool Group, designed by Izzy Swan, is a versatile layout tool for pros and DIYers. It combines a tri-square, double square, and bevel gauge in one compact design. The adjustable mitre handle locks precise angles, while the 8-inch anodized aluminum ruler offers clear, durable markings. With true mark precision, a stabilizer shelf, and interchangeable blades, it ensures accurate, repeatable measurements for woodworking tasks. Duo-sided vacuum pad. The Virutex Duo-sided vacuum pad SVN 250-DUO is a powerful pneumatic clamping solution designed for precision work. Its dual-sided suction securely anchors the unit to a workbench while holding the workpiece firmly on top, eliminating the need for traditional clamps. Ideal for delicate materials like glass, tiles, and finished wood, it ensures a mark-free grip. With customizable suction zones and vertical or horizontal operation, it offers excellent flexibility. This tool requires a compressed air supply for optimal performance. Shelf Pin Jig. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin and Hinge Jig 2-in-1 is a durable all-metal woodworking tool built for precision cabinet work. It combines shelf pin drilling and concealed hinge installation in one compact system. The integrated clamp secures the jig firmly without extra tools. It drills multiple evenly spaced holes in one pass, supports 2 common pin sizes, and offers adjustable edge offsets. A positioning pin ensures repeatable layouts, while hinge guides help align standard European hinges accurately and efficiently. Micro-Square. The Woodpeckers Micro-Squares are compact, precision tools built for detailed woodworking tasks in tight spaces. Ideal for joinery like dovetails and mortises, they come in micro combination and micro double square versions for quick angle and square checks. Each tool features interchangeable skinny and standard blades for versatility. Made from durable stainless steel with brass hardware, they deliver high accuracy. Their pocket-sized design ensures portability, while the included racket keeps everything neatly stored and easily accessible in the workshop. Stair Tread Template. The SUNLFPROD Stair Tread Template tool is a versatile measuring jig built for accuracy and efficiency in stair installation and woodworking projects. Made from durable 4mm aluminum alloy with a CNC anodized finish, it resists rust and wear. Its modular extensions allow flexible length adjustments, while the upgraded dual nut locking system ensures stability. With laser-etched markings and adjustable connectors, it easily captures complex angles, making it ideal for stairs, shelves, flooring, and other precision layout tasks. Bosch Angle Measurer. The Bosch GAM 220 Professional Angle Measurer and Bosch GAM 220MF. Professional or precision digital tools built for carpentry and construction. Both function as a 4-in-1 device, combining an angle finder, protractor, level, and mitre calculator. They feature a wide measuring range with high accuracy, a backlit rotating display, hold and lock functions, and integrated spirit levels. The rugged IP54 design ensures durability, while the MF model adds advanced mitre and compound angle calculations for complex trim work. Premium Router Table. The Woodpeckers Premium Router Table packages, including the PRP2 and PRP4, are complete high-performance woodworking stations designed for precision and versatility. Built with a durable phenolic tabletop, they resist warping from humidity and ensure long-lasting flatness. Each package includes a micro-adjustable fence, a precision router lift for easy bit changes, and a sturdy steel stand with mobility wheels. Advanced dust collection and compatibility with various router motors make these systems ideal for professional quality shaping, joinery, and detailed woodworking projects. Chamfer Plane Edge Corner. The eewudwok Chamfer Plane. Edge Corner is a compact manual woodworking tool designed for shaping clean bevels and smoothing sharp edges. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and lightweight ABS, it offers strength and portability. Integrated leveling bubbles help maintain accuracy, while the adjustable depth knob ensures precise cuts. Its foldable ergonomic handle improves control and storage convenience. With interchangeable blades for chamfering and rounding, it works effectively on hardwood and softwood, making it ideal for both DIYers and professionals. BANGGOOD ENJOYWOOD Table Saw. ENJOYWOOD, available on BANGGOOD, focuses on precision aluminum accessories that upgrade existing table saws rather than full machines. Its 2026 lineup includes the M1 Pro Precision Mitre Gauge with multi-angle stops, adjustable joinery and coping sleds, thin rip jigs, and profile fence extenders. CNC machined, anodized aluminum construction ensures durability, while micro-adjustments, safety stock guides, and wide compatibility deliver professional level accuracy, smoother cuts, and safer woodworking results. Festool Mobile Saw Table. As of 2026, Festool offers versatile mobile saw table systems for professional workflows. The STM 1800 mobile sawing table is built for one-person handling of large sheet goods, featuring a tilting load system, adjustable footprint, sacrificial wooden supports, ergonomic height adjustment, and excellent portability. For mitre saw users, the UGK APEX trolley delivers fast setup, built-in transport rollers, and long trimming extensions. Festool also provides the CMS GE compact module system for precision, lightweight, mobile cutting solutions. SawStop 10-inch compact table saw. The SawStop 10-inch compact table saw, CTS, is a portable job site saw that delivers professional-grade safety and accuracy in a compact form. It features SawStop's AIM safety system, stopping and retracting the blade in under 5 milliseconds on skin contact. A rack and pinion fence, 24.5-inch rip capacity, micro-adjust bevel control, and tool-free zero clearance insert ensure precision. While its 68-pound lightweight build and integrated storage make it ideal for mobile work. Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel System. The Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel System is a professional-grade layout tool built for ultra-precise, large-scale woodworking. Featuring laser-engraved aluminum beams, modular extensions, and precision sliding clamps, it allows flawless arcs, circles, and measurements beyond standard dividers. With interchangeable pins, pencil mounts, centering cones, and edge and corner guides, it handles complex layout tasks with ease. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it delivers unmatched accuracy, durability, and versatility. BUCKTOOL, Quick Blade, Scroll Saw. The BUCKTOOL Quick Blade Scroll Saw 2026 series offers 16-inch and 22-inch models designed for precision woodworking. Tool-free blade clamps allow rapid swaps, while the liftable arm, 22 inches, and quick open side panel, 16 inches, simplify interior cuts. Both models accept pin end and pinless blades. Variable speed motors, 550 to 1600 SPM for 16 inches, 360 to 1550 SPM for 22 inches. Handle hardwoods effortlessly. Large bevel-capable tables, hands-free foot pedals, vibration-free LED lights, and dust management systems make these saws ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Infinity Tools Shelf Pin Jig. As of 2026, the Infinity Tools Shelf Pin Jig is a professional-grade solution for drilling perfectly spaced adjustable shelving holes in cabinets and bookcases. Its transparent polyacrylic body offers clear visibility for accurate alignment, while the rigid extruded aluminum fence keeps the jig square to the board edge. Supporting both 1/4 inch and 5mm bits, it follows the 32mm system, features adjustable edge offsets, infinite extension, and works with face frame or frameless cabinetry. Rockler JIGIT Hinge Mortising System. The Rockler Jig IT Hinge Mortising System is a precision jig designed for perfectly aligned hinge mortises on jewellery boxes and small chests. It routes the box and lid in one setup for flawless alignment. Built from clear, durable acrylic, it offers excellent visibility, laser-etched guides, and an adjustable fence for different thicknesses. Interchangeable templates support multiple hinge types, delivering repeatable, professional results every time. Levoite Carbide Dowel Maker. The Levoite Carbide Dowel Maker is a precision woodworking jig that turns square stock into perfectly round dowels using a standard electric drill. It features adjustable diameter settings, indexable carbide blades for clean cuts, and a durable CNC machined aluminum body. Quick to adjust and easy to use, it works like a mini lathe, producing smooth, accurate dowels in seconds while remaining compact, portable, and workshop friendly. Milescraft 1600 TriGrips. The Milescraft 1600. TriGrips are innovative, non-slip work supports designed to hold projects securely without clamps. Featuring foam-impregnated friction pads and a self-adjusting weighted ballast, they stay stable in any position. Dual height elevation allows full edge access for routing, sanding, or painting. Integrated painter's points minimize surface contact for fresh finishes. Sold as a 4-piece set, TriGrips also reduce vibration for non-workshop uses like electronics. Rockwell JawStand XP. The Rockwell JawStand XP RK9034 is a heavy-duty portable support stand built for precise one-person work like cabinet installation and moulding. Its 3-in-1 design works as a stand, outfeed support, or third hand. Exact positioning micro-adjustment ensures perfect alignment under load, while low-friction slides prevent drift. A tilting head, built-in clamp, wide tripod base, and 220-pound capacity deliver stability, accuracy, and easy portability on any job site. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. The Trend Belfast Sink Jig, BS/JIG and BS/JIG/PRO, are precision routing templates designed for accurately cutting Belfast, Butler, and farmhouse sink apertures in timber or compact laminate worktops. Built from durable CNC machined phenolic/HPL, they ensure long-term accuracy and stability. The jig supports multiple preset sink widths, precise alignment pins, and clean corner radii. The PRO version adds full adjustability, faster setup gauges, oversized sink support, and multiple corner options for professional installations. Trend Hinge Jig Skeleton. The Trend Hinge Jig Skeleton, HJIGC, is a portable two-piece adjustable template system for precise hinge recess routing in timber doors and frames. Its anodized aluminum rails fit doors 1956 to 2100 mm tall, while tool-free thumb-turn locks allow fast setup without Allen keys. Hinges act as the pattern for exact placement, including fire door compliance. Indexed backset discs cover standard hinge widths, supporting doors 16 to 51 mm thick. Compatible with rebated frames, it includes aperture blocks, bradawls, a 16 mm guide bush, and a sturdy carry case. Leigh Isoloc templates. Leigh Isoloc templates are precision CNC machined accessories for Leigh dovetail jigs, enabling unique, organic interlocking joints. Each dual-sided template features 2 joint patterns: key, mirror key, clover, bear's ears, ellipse, and wave, with integrated imperial and metric scales for easy setup. The patented variable guide bush system, VGS, allows micro-adjustable joint tightness for flawless fits. Compatible with most router bases and 24-inch D-series or super jigs, these templates support half-blind, through, and decorative inlay joints, offering versatility and precision in custom woodworking projects. Pack and Roll Collapsible Cart. The 2026 Pack and Roll Collapsible Cart line by Olympia Tools offers versatile mobility solutions for workshops, home, and shopping. The 3-shelf folding service cart holds 150 pounds, folds to 8 inches for storage, and rolls smoothly on 3-inch rubber wheels. The collapsible plastic trolley is ideal for groceries or light tools, folding flat to 3 inches with a telescopic handle. All models feature secure locking mechanisms, ergonomic dual handles, 360-degree swivel wheels, and require no assembly, ready to use out of the box.